Hi everyone, we are back with some exciting DIY activities at home. Today we will make sunny side up earrings. Usually you would use air dry clay or self-hardening clay, but don't worry. If you don't have access to that, a little bit of M-Seal will work perfectly fine. You know what's great about handmade jewelry? You can give it any shape that you want and create something beautiful. Today we will teach you a very simple earring. That's how to make a sunny side up. And to help us continue creating, go ahead and like our video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. We'll use the remaining part after making the round balls to make the white of the earring, the white of the egg. And so, don't roll it too thin for fear of it tearing, as you also want to put in the hook. There you go. Every sunny side up has its own unique shape, and therefore you don't need to have the exact same shape for both of your earrings. Aren't these handmade earrings just too cool? Go ahead and use two very basic colors, white and yellow, to make your sunny side up look absolutely real.